We have decided today in the meeting that we will be putting up the prefab 50-bedded hospital in Jowai, and this will be also supported with enough infrastructure so that in any eventuality this could also be used as a pediatric hospital or a hospital where ICU is available for children. Because we don't know the nature of this virus, and we would like to be prepared in advance in the future situation that we may face. So this 50-bedded hospital will be similar to the ones that is coming out in Shillong and in Tura. And again, the location all will be finalized within the next few days. But the decision to implement this has been taken, and very shortly we will do the necessary paperwork and sanction so that this is done at the earliest. Apart from that, we also discussed about the vaccination program, and the vaccination program in East Chente Hills is going very well. West Chente Hills also is doing well, but much more can be done. And at this point in time, I would take this opportunity to appeal to our citizens, especially the elders, that please take the vaccination. We have got clear data that people who have taken both vaccines have been protected from this virus. We can very confidently say that those people who have taken both the shots, none of the people who have passed away, who have lost their lives, none of them took 2 shots. 90% of the people were not vaccinated at all. I'm talking about the state as a whole. 90% have not taken even a single dosage. So therefore, there were some who had taken 1 dose, but they were having different conditions also. But those people who have taken both the doses have clearly been protected, and there has been no symptoms or no kind of adverse effects of the vaccination on anybody in the state till date. We are getting good response. We have now enough stocks. The Government of India's policy has changed now from 45 plus to 18 plus to now a simple category of all 18 plus. So therefore, today this program started. We got a very good response, and as of now till about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we had almost close to 8,000 shots that were given today in a single day. So if we expect this trend to double, triple in the next few days, we do expect large number of vaccinations to be done, and I encourage the people of the state, I encourage the people of Chente Hills especially, to please come forward and take this opportunity to take these vaccinations which have been given free by the Government of India.